Very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous video, we learned about anchors and solve exercise 4.3. Today, we are going to learn about circles and its parts and solve exercise 4.6. So, let's learn about circle and its parts and solve exercise 4.6. Students, we have learned about closed figures bounded by line segments as polygons. But there is special figure which is a closed curve or simple closed curve with no line segments called circle. For example, a coin, a bangle, a ring, a ball, a wheel, etc. are all in circular shape. Thus, we can say that a simple closed curve in which all the points on it are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. For example, a ball is circular in shape. The various parts of a circle include center, radius, diameter, chord, arc, segment, sector, interior and exterior of a circle, and circumference. Let us learn about various parts of a circle. Number 1. Center of a circle. The fixed point O inside the closed figure is called the center of the circle. Number 2. Radius of a circle. A line segment with one endpoint at the center of the circle and the other endpoint on the boundary of the circle is called the radius of the circle. In the given figure, OA is the radius of the circle, where O lies at the center of the circle and A lies on the boundary of the circle. The plural of radius is radii. Diameter of a circle. A line segment joining any two points on the boundary of the circle and passing through the center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. The diameter of the circle is twice the radius in the circle with center O given here. AB is the diameter where both point A and point B lies on the boundary of the circle and passing through the center of the circle O. Chord of the circle. A line segment whose endpoints the boundary of the circle is called the chord of the circle. Since the endpoints of a diameter also lie on the circle, the diameter is also a chord. The chord of the circle divides the circle into two parts. In the given figure, PQ is a chord and AB is the longest chord, that is diameter. Students, note that line segment PQ does not passing through the center of the circle. Thus, chord of the circle may or may not passes through the center of the circle, whereas diameter always passes through the center of the circle. Here, AB passes through the center of the circle. Thus, we can say that all diameters are chords, but all chords are not diameters, because chord may or may not pass through the center of the circle. Arc of a circle. A path between any 2 points on a circle is called an arc of the circle. It is denoted by given symbol. In the given figure, ABC and ADC are two arcs of the circle. A chord of the circle divides the circle into two arcs. ABC is the major arc and arc ADC is the minor arc. Segment of a circle. A segment is a part of a circle which is enclosed by a chord and its corresponding arc. Thus, we can say that the region in the interior of a circle bounded by a chord and an arc of the circle is called segment. Sector of a circle. The region enclosed by an arc and the two radii drawn from the endpoints or joining the endpoints of the arc with the center is called a sector of the circle. The region bounded by the minor arc AXB and the radii OA and OB is called the minor arc. The region bounded by the major arc AYB and the radii OA and OB is called the major arc. Exercise 4.6. Question number 1. From the figure, identify. Students, in this question, we have to identify center of the circle, 3 radii, a diameter. a chord, 2 points in the interior, that is inside of the circle, a point in the exterior, that is outside the circle, a sector and segment. Student, so keeping in mind what is radius, diameter, chord, interior and exterior points, sector and segment, we have to write the answers by observing and identifying all the parts of the circle. So, let us call question number 1. Sum A. The center of circle is O. Students, note that O is the center, that is fixed point of the circle and not point P. Now B, O A, line segment OB and line segment OC are the three radii of the circle. Now C, line segment AC is the diameter of the given circle, whereas line segment ED is a chord of the circle. Now D, line segment ED is a chord of the circle. Students, note that line segment AC is also a chord, as we know that all diameters are chord. Also, we know that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now, E, O and P are the 2 points in the interior of the circle. Now F, Q is the exterior point of the given circle. Now G, AOB is a sector of a circle which is bounded by 2 radii, namely OA and OB, and an arc AB. Now H, ED is a segment of a circle which is bounded or enclosed by a chord ED. Now question number 2. Sub question A. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? And sub question B. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Solution of sub question A. Yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord. As we know that the diameter is the longest chord. Now, sub-question B. No, every chord of a circle is not a diameter, because chord may or may not pass through the center of the circle, but diameter always passes through the center of the circle. Students, we will solve exercise 4.4 and 4.5 afterward. Thank you and have a good day.